G'day guys, at Dunn & Watson we are now stocking the versatile range of windows. These are a Canadian made window. These windows are made to a European ADR standard which far exceeds the Australian standard for ADR approval, which means these are the best windows on the market. They are perfect for your caravan, camper trailer, motorhome, RV, you name it. If you need a new window or you want to introduce a window, these are ideal. The windows themselves come with the ADR approved glass as mentioned, which has the necessary light tint in it. Comes with this neat black frame you'll notice here. As we turn it around, you'll notice this window comes with a fly screen. Obviously this is necessary because you want to let airflow into whatever you're using it for. Very easy to operate. It's great having these dual latches, so it's definitely not going to open up during transit. It will only open when you manually activate these locks. Great quality. Something else important to note, these windows come with a variety of backing frames, so it's not limited to the one thickness wall. There's literally a huge range available, noted on the website. So by all means, let us know if you're unsure and we'll be able to marry up the perfect clamping frame to go with the window. They come in stacks of sizes. They're also available in a fixed window range as well. So if you're interested, check out Dunn & Watson for their new range of versatile windows.